Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh Panyam, your physics dude. Welcome back to the world of physics. Today we're going to learn an important application of friction. Let me start. I have an empty bottle and I made a small hole to the cap. So remember, if I fix the cap to the bottle and I have a pen, I just keep inside the pen, the bottle. If you look at, see, the size of the hole is bigger than the diameter of this pen, so it can easily be inserted into this what called as bottle. Now remember, I just keep the pen. If I lift the pen up, the bottle is at rest. Why? Because as I said, the size of the hole is bigger than the diameter of the pen, so I just cannot pull it. Now what I'll do is, I'll just fill this bottle with some rice or something. So let's see what happens. Now what I've done is, I just fill the bottle completely with rice. Again, what I'll do is, I'll just fix the cap. Okay. Now see what I'm going to do. Once again, I'm just keeping the pen. Now I just keep the pen, but the pen is coming out. Even if I just keep it inside, the pen is coming. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll just keep on adjusting the pen. Okay, now what happens? See, after some more adjustment, we find that I can lift the bottle. See, no longer the bottle detaches. So how I'm able to lift this this plastic bottle containing rice with the help of a pen? Why initially I couldn't pull it? Now how, after inserting the pen, after adjusting the pen, and how I'm able to what you call it as lift it. So let's understand the real reason. Now let's see how can we lift the bottle. So as I said, if you take this empty bottle and the moment I just insert the pen inside, what happens? I just kept the pen like this. Remember, surrounding there is no force, so nothing can hold this pen. There is no force. That's why this pen easily able to just come out of this bottle. Now the moment you fill it with the rice like this, what happens? See, this bottle now filled with the rice grains. So what happens? Initially, if you closely observe them, there are some gaps in between the rice grain. There are some air packets will be there. So what happens? That's the reason why the moment after filling the rice, you just keep the pen, it will easily go into it. Why? Because the rice, there are some gaps. Now the moment you insert this pen, these rice grains will move to the gaps wherever they are possible. All the rice grains will move just like this, and they create some gap to the pen. Now, and again, if you just pull the pen back, it comes out easily. Why? Because still there is no force. But if you just do it number of times, and what happens is, automatically all these rice grain adjust such that no longer there are gaps in between, and you find lot of rice grains even what called as along the pen. So in this case, what is happening? When there are rice grains along this pen, and here there is no gap, and there starts acting a friction. Now for the pen, these rice grains make a layer of rough surface. So because of this, there acts a friction along this, and because of this, they hold the pen. Now remember, in this case, when I try to lift the pen, if I try to lift the pen like this, so there is a gravitational force weight of the bottle acts downward. But in this case, as the friction along the walls of the pen is bigger than the weight of this bottle, so I think there is the two surfaces, you have find one friction there is another friction there. So that means the total upward friction 2F and is balanced by mg. So at least if 2F is balanced by mg, and this the bottle can stay at rest. That means, so the moment you insert the pen inside it, and you need to adjust the pen until you remove all the gaps between the rice grains, and thereby these rice grains will stick to the wall, along the walls of the pen, so that it firmly hold it. So friction actually the reason for this lifting of this a bottle contain rice. So I hope you understood the real reason. I hope you all understood the important application of friction in this video. If you really like my content, please subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Spread the beauty of physics to your friends. I wish you happy physics learning. Thanks for watching.